Hello children, today we are going to start with a new lesson of English 1. So take out your English grammar books. Take out page number 64. We are going to start with lesson number 12, that is the verb. Children, before we do the exercises of this lesson, let me explain you what is a verb. Now children, I will write here a few sentences to explain you what is a verb. Like the first sentence is, the girl sings sweetly. Now here children, I have written the sentence, the girl sings sweetly. Let me write one more sentence. The sun rises in the east. Now children, here I have written two sentences. The girl sings sweetly and the sun rises in the east. Now children, can you tell me which is the action which is being done in these two sentences? In the first sentence, the action word is sings. And in the second sentence, the action word is rises. So these are the two action words. Means what is the girl doing? She is singing. And the sun is rising. So rises and sings, both are these action words. Now let me give you one more example. She writes a letter. Now what is she doing? She is writing a letter, means she writes a letter. So writes is again an action word. The baby is sleeping. Now what is the baby doing? The baby is sleeping. Sleeping is again an action word. Now all these action words like sings, rises, writes, sleeping, all these are the action words. And children, action words are called verb. Action words are called verb. Action words, or you can say doing words. Action words or doing words are called verb. So, I will give you one more example regarding verb. The children are playing. Here, what are the children doing? They are playing. So, playing again is an action word. So, this is also a verb. This is also a verb. Now, I will tell you something more about verb. Now children, these are the main verbs. These words like sings, rises, writes, sleeping, playing, all these are the main verbs. Now in English, there are some helping verbs. There are some helping verbs. Now let me tell you about those helping verbs. Like here children, in this sentence, the baby is sleeping. Here, this is the main verb sleeping. Which is the helping verb here? Helping verb is. And in this sentence, the children are playing. Playing is the main verb and are is the helping verb. Likewise, I will tell you many more helping verbs are there. Is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had, will, shall. All these are helping verbs. So, when you are given a sentence to underline the verb, like I will write one more sentence to explain you this. Rohan is playing with his brother. Now children, in this sentence, playing is the main verb and which is the helping verb? Is. So, when you are told to underline the verb in a sentence, you will underline is playing. Because is a helping verb and playing is a main verb. You will underline both. Is playing, you will consider it as verb. Let me give you one more example. He is reading the newspaper. Now here in this sentence, reading is the main verb and is the helping verb. So when you are again told to underline the verb in the sentence, you will underline is reading. Understood? Again, I am teaching English. So here I have written the sentence, I am teaching English. Teaching is the main verb, it is a doing word, and am is a helping verb. So we will underline the full thing, am teaching. So this is called verb. In verb, one is the main verb and the other is the helping verb. So we have to underline both when we are told to underline the verbs in the sentences. So children, one more thing I will tell you regarding verb. Now all these words like is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had, will, shall, all these words, what do they tell us? They tell us what someone or something is or has. Means they tell us about the possession of something. Understood? Has, have, had tell us the possession, and is, these am, are, all these tell us about the state. Understood? Now, help again I will tell you about this verb. That verb is not a single word. It cannot be always a single word. Sometimes in a sentence, it can be a single word. But in some other cases, in some sentences, there can be two verbs like main verb as well as helping verb. Like here in the above sentences, I have written, the girl sings sweetly. Here, only main verb is there. Only the action word is there. The helping verbs are not there in this sentence. Again, in the second sentence, the sun rises in the east. Again, the main verb is there. Helping verb is not there. So this is what I want to say, that in some sentences, the main verb will be there, and in some sentences, the helping verb as well as the main verb will also be there. And in some sentences, only the helping verb can be there. Like I will give you an example. Honesty is the best policy. So is the helping verb. Here the action word is not there. Main verb is not there. Only the helping verb is there. So I will again tell you about this verb. Action words or doing words are called verb. In a sentence, there can be a main verb. There can be a main verb as well as helping verb. And the third option is there can be only helping verb in a sentence. So children, this was all there regarding the explanation of this lesson. In the next video, we will do the book exercises of this lesson. Thank you.